So, very good morning, dear viewers. Welcome back. Today I want to discuss over the importance of education in modern India. In how can you improve your society? You know, uh, our nation, that is India, is known as the hub of the education. Here we established the first university of the world, and we remain the center point of education in modern India as well. We have produced great scientists like Homi Jahangir Bhabha, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, Sir C.V. Raman, and on. I can take the name. And also some great CEOs we have produced like Satya Nadella, Santanu Narayan, and some other. They are leading the world level uh, institutions. But the core of the thing that I want to present here, India is lacking the right direction of education. I have seen in actually I have faced that student always try to that is known as a ratna. They always focus on the process of ratan. They always try to rote the things. you know uh, Indian education system check the memory. They don't check the intelligence matters, memory does not. you know the creativity level are very low in Indian education system, and the most important thing which is lacking in Indian education system is there is no practical knowledge. There is no pragmatic things is happening. Only theory based education system is going on in inter colleges. They offer you theory classes, they don't offer you that is known as practical. And if you don't have practical knowledge, you cannot cope with. So one must understand that without having practical knowledge, if somebody is thinking that he is going to par with I mean he is going to elevate his life, so this is mere illusion. And what further I can say. And the new education policy, the most we had received the education in silos. Now this system is about to be evaporated. This is the good sign. Now students can choose the history and the subject that he wants. So this is indeed a good news. Thank you very much.